Here, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off lost mode on iPhone using Apple Watch. So if you have your iPhone marked as lost iPhone, this device is marked as lost, please contact this phone number on your iPhone. Then you can easily mark the iPhone as found to remove the lost mode on it. So this is for security reasons that Apple use to protect your data until you recover your device. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off or disable lost mode on iPhone from your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the YouTube crown once. Then on the YouTube crown, just scroll down until you can see Find My. Then click on it. Here you can see my iPhone is no longer available. See that? But it has been marked as lost here. Now to turn this off, all you just need to do when it is marked as unavailable is open the Find My, click on it, then just scroll down, locate lost mode. You can see lost mode is turned on, click on it. Now once enabled, tap lost mode to disable it. Then instantly you should see the lost mode turned off on your iPhone. So like this, lost mode is enabled on your iPhone. Now to disable, just turn this off, and then the lost mode will disappear on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily turn off or disable lost mode on iPhone using Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.